Hey guys, back with another one. I'm going to do a glitter cut crease look. I'm going to take my LA Girl concealers. I have not used them in a while, so I'll be implementing them in this video. I'm going to use creamy beige all over my, creamy beige lightly, just like more so on the crease because I'm going to clean it up anyway. So I'll be right back. I'm going to clean up my lid off camera. I've done it on many videos. I'm just going to take a wipe and clean up my lid area and I'll be right back. Okay, so my crease is clean, it's dry. I'm going to use the Inglot Gel Liner in the number 94. I have some on the back of my hand. I'm going to be using the Morphe M224. I'm going to get some on both sides. I use the Duraline as well because this gel does seize up on you. So I put a little bit, just mix it up in the pot. I have some on the back of my hand. And I'm going to begin to cut my crease. Okay, so I'm going to take this concealer. I'm going to take this glitter from Violet Voss. It's in the color Golden Fairy. And I want to mix it. No, I'm not going to mix it. I'm just going to use this alone. I'm going to use this Shadow Shield first because I hate glitter. So I'm just going to use this for both eyes. I'm going to also add this on top just as a pop. I don't know what color this is. This is a sample I got from work. This is a matte glitter. I think it's one of the 3D glitters, probably gold 3D. Not too sure. I'm gonna go into the Jamrock palette and I'm gonna take Bubbler right here. I'm just going to warm up my crease a little bit. I feel like I added the purple, so I just want it to be a little bit more warmer. I feel like I want to go into another color too. Waistline. I'm just gonna get a little bit of that and I'm gonna pat it right here. Just to help this transition, I'm just lightly tapping in to help blend. And I'm just gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna blend it. And I'm gonna do my foundation off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did my foundation and stuff off camera. You already know how it go. Don't want to keep showing you the same routine and over 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 and over. Okay, let me stop. I'm just gonna take MAC Studio Fix powder and NC43 because I want the under eyes to be bright like our future after all of this. So I'm gonna go under my eyes with this. I set under my eyes with Plain and Makeup by Yolando, her translucent powder in the color Secret. I like to set my concealer, but I will not bake with that concealer. Girl. I like that setting powder, but it's too bright for under my eyes. So I will use the setting powder from Makeup by Yolando in the color Secret. I will push it into my concealer to make sure that my concealer is set. And then I will move on to using a Studio Fix powder. Or if I want, I will bake with some banana powder from Benai. I baked with her powder and it was just too white and it was just too much. Like if you're lighter than me, way lighter than me, you can probably bake with it because you can't really tell because your concealer would be lighter than mine. But her Secret powder, it's good, it sets, but it's just too stark white. And then the other one she had looked too dark. So I don't know, maybe I'll get one of her other ones, I don't know. I had the girls out, you know, I had the kitchen out, you know, everything else out. My skin is sitting, baby. The camera was acting funny. Hopefully I caught that footage of me adding the glitter. So I did the purple line and it didn't like how it looked, so I just went over it with some glitter. Like I said, when that old else fails, glitter it out. We gonna move it on. Gonna turn that off. I'm gonna go in with some eyeshadow, but I don't feel like doing that right now. I'm gonna continue to just deal with the face. I'm using my Black Radiance contour kit, medium to dark. I'm gonna use this one first on a angle brush because I set, yeah, this is fine. Yeah, so I set my face with some RCMA no color powder. That powder is so flawless. So I'm just gonna push this in. So that's all I did really was do my concealer, my foundation, and just set my face with the Secret powder and then the RCMA no color powder. So I'm gonna take just a random brush and I'm going to go down the bridge of my nose. Okay. So now that we have that out the way, I'm gonna go in with, I have a bunch of Studio Fix powders in front of me. I got 4. So 2 is highlight and 2 is face, depending on how light or dark I get. I'm gonna go in with NC50 Studio Fix powder. And I'm just gonna go all over my face. I'm not using a lot of this powder since I already set with my no color powder. I don't want to be too powdery, but I want to bring a little color to my face. So I'm just patting it in and then I'm patting it. So I'm not swiping or anything. Go back in with that contour brush just to make sure we didn't lose that. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go under my eyes. I just went under my eyes with NC43, right? So let's not work backwards. Let's keep going. Okay. I'm going to go in with the Jamrock palette again. I want to go in with purple and orange for some reason. Those colors are calling me. I just want my crease to be a little more warm. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this Rebel. I just want to go right here. For some reason, I feel like my crease just needs some like warmth or something. Something else. I like the eye color. It's very, very pretty. I just want to... Okay, now I'm going to take another brush, I think. Okay, we're gonna use the same brush. It's okay. I'm gonna go in with Bubbler again. I think I used this before, if I'm not mistaken, but I'm gonna use this one. Same brush. Get a little bit on there. Okay. Yeah, I just felt like my crease was like missing something, and I'm just gonna use this. I have this mirror and this mirror. I'm always like looking. Just blending. Then we have that, so we're gonna move on. So I'm about to just spray my face and I'm gonna start highlighting. I'm running low on this, so let me take my time. I'm gonna switch over to this the next time. So I'm gonna let this dry. I didn't bring out my highlights, but I see some here. So I'm gonna go in with this pink highlight. I showed this in one of my hauls, well, the one with the purple background. This is the Heroin Glow 2 by Juvia's Place. This is pink, brand new. We're gonna throw that out. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take that on a Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH09 brush. Nothing like some Barris Hammond to just that out. I want to cut my cheek. Even though I just knocked it off, I'm going to keep it here for a little while because I have a pretty full face. So we just trying to slim it on out. And here too. Down the bridge of my nose as well. Right? And then up down. This is banana powder, by the way. So I'm gonna leave that for a while. I don't know what a while is, but I'm going to spray. I can't spray my face because I just put those powders on. So I'm gonna put my lashes on. These are some just randoms that I just saw. This the glue I used to pack on more glitter from EYESHADOW, the clear one. You know, when you find random lashes, you just pop them on, girl. Pop them on. Let me see. Yeah, it's cool. You can still see the shadows, so it's not gonna overpower it. And then I always put some glue on top of my liner. This is a clear glue, so you won't even see it, just to make sure that my lash really lasts long. So in the meantime, I'm gonna look for a lip. Okay, so I've been loving a nude lip. I have this lip, this gloss from NYX is clear. Well, it's kind of not all the way clear anymore because I applied and I had lipstick on. But for some reason, I want like a pale lip, like a really, really pale lip. The only lipstick I really have that's super pale is this MAC times Patrick Star collection. This lipstick is super, super light, so I think I'm gonna use that as well. And I want to use that with this Date Night lip liner from Morphe. So let's see how that's gonna work. I'm like, my posture is terrible. Oh, this looks pretty already. I want to see if I have another option. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to use Act Natural. This is a lipstick by MAC. Most of my lipsticks are from MAC. So, yeah. Oh, this is coming pretty, pretty. I'm going to use a lip liner I'm going to use a brush because I want the lipstick to be true to color. And if you use it on top of your lip, it won't be, because you're going to be mixing the lipstick with the lip liner. So this is Act Natural.